Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw Woody the Woodpecker. Let's start with the head first. Draw a square. Divide the square into 3 parts. Draw a triangle below the square for the beak. Draw a rectangle below triangle for the body. Draw eye sockets. Draw eyebrows. Draw beak. Draw neck. Draw body. Draw a spike on the head. Draw eyes. Draw hands. Draw fingers. Draw legs. Draw legs. Draw hands. Draw fingers. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.